Bay windows are more than just a charming architectural feature. They are a smart investment that can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal and market value of your property. For homeowners in Ferndale, installing bay windows provides a blend of style, functionality, and financial benefits that make them a popular choice. This article delves into how professional bay window installation can elevate property values in Ferndale while creating inviting, light-filled spaces. The appeal of bay windows. Bay windows, characterized by their outward projection from a building's main walls, create a unique, angular structure. Typically composed of 3 panels, one large central window flanked by 2 smaller ones. These installations have long been favored for their ability to increase natural light and add a sense of spaciousness to any room. In Ferndale, where homes often reflect a blend of historic charm and modern updates, bay windows align perfectly with the local aesthetic. They can be customized to suit both traditional and contemporary designs, offering versatility that appeals to a wide range of buyers. Boosting curb appeal and interior aesthetics. One of the first things prospective buyers notice about a home is its exterior. Bay windows make an immediate statement, drawing attention to the property with their elegant and sophisticated look. Their ability to create a focal point enhances the home's architectural character and sets it apart in the competitive Ferndale real estate market. Inside the home, bay windows transform living spaces. They offer panoramic views, making rooms feel larger and more open. This is particularly valuable in Ferndale, where many neighborhoods boast picturesque streetscapes or lush green surroundings. By framing these views, bay windows create a connection between the indoors and outdoors, adding to the home's desirability. Energy efficiency and modern upgrades. Today's bay windows are not only beautiful but also highly functional. Modern designs incorporate energy-efficient features such as double or triple glazing, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames. These advancements reduce heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. For Ferndale homeowners, this means lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint, features that resonate with eco-conscious buyers. Investing in professionally installed, energy-efficient bay windows can be a selling point that commands higher property valuations. Versatility in functionality. Another key benefit of bay windows is their adaptability to various uses. Homeowners can turn the extended sill into a cozy reading nook, a seating area with storage, or even a mini garden with potted plants. These features enhance the functionality of living spaces, creating areas that are both practical and visually appealing. This versatility adds measurable value to Ferndale properties by offering potential buyers a sense of luxury and flexibility. Whether for a growing family or a single professional, bay windows make the home feel more tailored to diverse lifestyles. Professional installation. The key to maximizing value. The quality of installation plays a critical role in ensuring the longevity, performance, and aesthetic appeal of bay windows. Poorly installed windows can lead to issues such as drafts, leaks, or structural instability, which can ultimately detract from a home's value. That's why professional installation is essential. In Ferndale, Partnering with experienced window installation experts ensures that every aspect of the process, measuring, fitting, and sealing, is executed with precision. Professional installers also provide valuable advice on window styles, materials, and finishes that best suit the home's design and the local climate. The financial upside. Installing bay windows is a strategic investment. According to real estate experts, homes with enhanced curb appeal and upgraded features like bay windows tend to sell faster and at higher prices. In Ferndale's robust housing market, where buyers value character and charm, the addition of bay windows can be a decisive factor in securing a premium offer. Conclusion. For Ferndale homeowners looking to increase their property value, bay windows are a smart choice. They enhance both the exterior and interior appeal of a home, improve energy efficiency, and provide versatile functionality. By investing in professional installation, you ensure that these benefits are realized to their fullest potential. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to elevate your home's aesthetic and comfort, bay windows are a timeless feature that delivers significant returns. In the vibrant Ferndale real estate market, their ability to combine beauty, practicality, and value makes them a standout addition to any property.